The state of Oregon recently promoted a teacher training program seeking to undo racism in mathematics. Yes, you heard me right. To undo racism in mathematics. The idea of finding the right answer, the material said, is a manifestation of white supremacy. It's also racist, so the authors say, to be required to show your work. The toolkit reads that the concept of math as purely objective is unequivocally false. It claims that upholding the idea that there are always right and wrong answers perpetuates objectivity and unnecessarily creates conflict. The idea that anything is objectively true or that having to show your work as a way to assess how you are thinking are characteristics of white supremacy. Instead, the material advocates, students are encouraged to come up with multiple possible answers to math problems, and showing work is expressly forbidden. See, to care how someone is thinking or how someone is solving a problem is purely racist. It's nothing but a convenient strategy designed to repress ethnic populations. I am not making this up. Math, the material claims, is a historic way to uphold capitalist, imperialist, racist views. My problems with this are multiple. Number one, to make every issue about race takes the force away from real racism. Just as saying that every contact between a man and a woman is sexual abuse and exploitation. If everything is evil, then nothing is evil. Number two, it almost sounds like thinking is a white thing, not meant for minorities, which is exactly what some racists were saying in the early 1800s. We don't send blacks to school because they're not capable of thinking. You see, that theory was rightly put in the trash can a long time ago. But this theory seems to revive it, surprisingly, from the side of the minorities. Number three, it's classic racism to use rhetorical power to gain privileges and benefits for one's own racial or ethnic group at the expense of another racial or ethnic group, in this case, the whites. There is no clearer definition of racism. The material is racist. Number four, if we are not basing our conclusions on reason or evidence, but eschewing them as part of the problem, then one's conclusions cannot be trusted as reasonable. It's a self-defeating argument. Talk to me about this. Let's discuss it in the comments below.